can't explain it. Hope you hear what I'm saying. I'm loving your vibe, won't let you play the side.
Hey guys, blaican, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, okay? Make sure you guys follow me on my social media as well. Today I'm going to be installing this wig from start to finish, y'all. I feel like this is pretty beginner friendly, so yeah, if you're interested in how I installed this wig, then just keep watching. This wig is from EvaWigs. All the hair details will be in the description box below. If you have any questions about the install or anything, just leave them in the description box below and I'll answer them. I do want to say I did bleach the knots of this of this wig, and I did tone the hair. So basically how I toned it is I pretty much just washed it in purple shampoo and just left it on there for like an hour and washed it out, and then that's how I got this icy color, because the wig was like a super blonde yellow, like super yellow blonde wig, and I just didn't feel like I wanted to do it. But y'all saw that on my Instagram and Snapchat because I kind of posted about it, like, do y'all think I should tone it or just leave it how it is? But I end up toning it with the purple shampoo. I do use purple shampoo when I do my wigs too, like when I bleach the knots. I also tone my knots with purple shampoo anyway, so I just decided to just tone the whole wig with purple shampoo since I had it anyway. I had it at home anyway. And also decided to not do baby hairs, but if you want to do baby hairs, then go ahead and do baby hairs. But I just feel like it just looks really good without the baby hair. Let's just get into the video. I'm gonna do the balding cap method, y'all. I haven't this method in a long time, but I'm decided I want to do it, so I'm gonna just do it. This shit is cold, oh my gosh. I already brushed like my hair back, and then I'll put this wig cap on. I'm about to just get the cuttiness off. I'm gonna put the makeup on after. I think I'll put the makeup on after. I forgot, y'all. I haven't done this in so long. Ah, these scissors are killing me. I'll leave a little bit right here on and at the top, but on the sides I like to cut as close to my hairline as I can. My baby hairs come down long, okay? They come down long, so I gotta be careful not to cut my baby hairs off, my real baby hairs off, okay? Because I am gonna be trying out the yellow got to be glue spiking. If y'all watch my last vlog, I said that I bought some from Target to try it out. I usually use the black one. I'm gonna take my Clinique powder in 26 amber and just an elf powder brush. I no longer use these two like on my face and stuff. I use these strictly for hair. So I'm just gonna put this all over my head, and let me just show y'all the got to be glue that I usually would use. So this is the got to be glue ultra glue styling gel, and this is the styling spiking glue. I'm gonna use this one the same way I use this one, so hopefully, you know, kind of just to lay the edges of the wig cap down. Let's apply it on there first before I start like applying the wig. I just take my rat tail comb, which I usually like the ones with the silver tail, but I can't find mine, so I'm using this one. I actually cut the combs out of the wig because I'm not going to use them. So whenever I don't use combs, I just kind of just cut them out. I'm just cutting off the back lace right now. Oh my gosh. All right, anyways, let's just start. So first I'm gonna I like to cut my wig in like, oh, I kind of cut that far back. But I like to cut my wigs in like sections because I like to glue them in sections. I do want to cut these sides off because look at this shit. We can't, because like honestly I like getting my wigs big because it's easier to cut the air tabs off than to get the wig too small, and that should be uncomfortable. It's over my ear, but make sure it's even before you get to cutting, okay? So it's even on both sides, and I'm just gonna cut it, like literally just cut it up, y'all. And oh shit, that gotta come on. Okay, and then that's it. Just cut around my ear, y'all. I hope y'all was able to see that. Now we're gonna start applying the wig. So as you know, lately I just been applying my wigs with this, with the got to be glue freezing spray, but I'm gonna just apply it with this, with the spiking glue. So I'm gonna just apply it. So for the first layer, I apply it all over, and for the second layer is when I start applying it in sections. All right, so I'm about to apply the second layer. And I'm only applying 2 layers, so I'm about to apply this layer in sections. So for this layer, I'm not gonna like let it dry down all the way. I'm just gonna let it get tacky and then apply the lace on there, and then finish drying it once I apply the lace on there. Where is my rat tail? I got my rat tail. Kind of just like to just kind of brush it back like that, you know what I mean? Just brush it back a little bit. I don't like to really press down with it because I don't want the hair to like stick on it. I don't even apply that much, y'all. Just like this much. Let me see if it feels just like that much. Or maybe even a little bit less than that, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna just apply a little bit more glue like on this side because I didn't really apply it down here, right on the sideburn. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this on here. This look crazy. I'm gonna leave this on here for 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on here for like 30 minutes. And then we'll come back and then we'll be able to like style it and stuff. So it's been like a little bit over 30. Oh, I just almost put my lash on. It's been like a little bit over 30 minutes. This is nice. All right, let's take on all these clips. It's a little, it did turn a little white right here, but I feel like I could fix that. So this is the wig. I'm trying to, it's on there though, like, you know, I don't feel like it's like super tight. I feel like this part is like really on there, but I don't feel like this part is like really on there. I feel like it'll come off. But I love how it's going behind my ear. It goes behind my ear on both sides. I don't know how I'm gonna even style this. I know I don't want to wear it like this. Like, I don't want to wear it like this. And I don't think I'm going to do any baby hairs like that. Or I might. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. But I know I want to do a side part. Let's just start cutting the lace off. And then I'm going to do a side part. And I'm not going to cut like in a straight line. I'm going to try to like kind of just like, you know, zigzag it through. Mind you, I don't even have on my glasses, so I'm trying to get as close as I can. This is my bed head wand. I think it's the 1/2 inch. I think it's a 1/2 inch. I do have the bigger one, but I'm gonna be using this one. And I like that it comes with like a little stand. You can just sit it down, because I'll be struggling trying to find something to sit this on, but now I don't have to worry about it because it has a stand on it. I feel like in this lighting the hair looks bad, but honestly it don't look that bad. Like when I went in my restroom. I'm gonna do the touch-ups with the Freeze Blast. I'm gonna take this Freeze Blast. I'm not gonna do any baby hairs. I'm gonna just leave it like this because I just kind of just like how it look. So I'm gonna take some Freeze Blast though and just kind of just like seal this part down and this little flap right here. Let me just show you guys two options. So I do use the Style Factor Edge Booster. It's the hair pomade stick and it's in the strawberry scent. It basically just like get rid of the flyaways. I also use their Edge Control too. I really like it. Like I love this edge control for like my hair type. I feel like it really does like holds down my hair, because y'all know a lot of hairstyles, hair, it's hard to find edge control that like really lays down like 4C for every hair, unless I'm just not looking in the right places. But anyways, yeah, I use this for like everything, my wigs, my real hair. Like I use it, I love that stuff. And now so I did go ahead and buy like the stick, but I find like you can't use too much of this or it will like turn white, so you just have to be careful with the amount you use with this. But I'm not going to be using this. I'm just letting you guys know like different options you can use. But I am going to be using this flyaway tamer right here. It was sent to me by a hair company. Just like that, y'all. This is so pretty. Just do my flyaways. But yeah, y'all, I really do like using like edge tamers, or you could use got to be glue Freeze Blast too. You can also spray this, but I would just say use a edge tamer if you have one. If you don't, use the got to be glue. But I kind of just threw the curls anywhere up in here, y'all, just to throw them up in here. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, we are pretty much done. I pretty much just took the Clinique powder that I use for my hair and just like kind of just put it on the part. And then, actually no, I didn't. I put that right here. I put the Clinique powder all right here, and then I use like a lighter concealer for my part. I use it out of my this contour palette, this cream contour palette I no longer use. And I use like a small little brush. I'm gonna show you how the color on my skin so y'all can see like the difference. Well, honestly, it looked darker than me, but shit, I don't know, maybe it is. I don't know. Okay, scratch that. Maybe you could use this concealer the same color as you, because I thought this concealer was lighter than me, but it's actually not. Oh my gosh, it's not lighter than me. It's from the True Complexion Cream Contour Palette, medium to dark, by Black Radiance. I just use the middle shade right here to put on my part, and that's pretty much, this is pretty much the finished look, y'all. This hair is from EvaWigs. All of the hair details will be in my description box below, so make sure you guys check that out if you're interested in this wig. I actually really like it. It's really cute. I think I'm gonna show it in some different lighting too, so y'all can really see how it look. But I like it. First off, I really like the Got To Be glue that I use. I really like it. I'm gonna start using that one. Well, I'm gonna use both. I like that one though. Like, I feel like it looks good and everything. Now, as far as the wig, I am getting some shedding from the wig. I do notice, like, when I get like blonde units and things like that, like, I do notice that the hair tends to shed more with blonde units. I don't know why, but I just feel like it does. Like, with most of the ones that I've gotten, they shed more. I did want to let you guys know that. But I really do like this color. And again, it didn't come this color. I did tone it. So if you want to achieve this color, just pretty much just tone it. Ooh, the sun just went down. Wouldn't go down. It went behind a cloud. Just pretty much just tone it, and then you could achieve this icy color too. But I really like how the roots go into the black goes into the blonde. I love all that about the wig. I like the cut. It's a natural length cut. I love this kind of cut. Like, I love bobs, cuts, and everything. So I really do like the wig as far as that goes. After hours of wearing the wig, I feel like I need to update y'all.